You do so much: courses, game development, YouTube, husband, father, marketing. How do you do it all? Well, I don't do it all. That's the trick. I don't do it all. I used to do it all. But guys, we're starting businesses, right? When you are making a game, you're starting a business. You're not making a game, you're starting a business. You should see it that way. Think about what I do right now, okay? I'll just tell you the things I do. I talk to this camera, and then I open up to Adobe Premiere, and I edit the video, and then I upload it to YouTube. Or I'll send it off to, I have 3 different editors I like to pick and choose from, and I'll send it to one of them, I'll pay them their fee, and then they upload it to YouTube, and then we have a YouTube video. So mostly I'm just talking to a camera, talking to YouTube editors. I'm sending emails about my videos that I launch, or if there's like a sale event for one of my digital products, including games or courses, I send an email out to my email list, or I art direct. Okay, so I've found myself in a position of director. Okay, and I've always wanted to be a director, and I love filmmaking, but I also, and I do direct film sometimes, but mainly I direct games. What does that mean? It means I'm mostly on Discord talking to my team, hanging out, chatting. Felipe is our team's lead 3D artist. He's incredible, brilliant. AJ is a C# developer. And most of the time I'm just hanging out on Discord talking to these guys, directing and offering my opinions for things. But I'm also on a website called ClickUp, and that's where we just manage the project, right? I'm also, I've had so many conversations with publishers and investors, and so now I'm in a position of leadership, right? And that's where you guys should end up. You should be doing the things you're best at, okay? Now, when you're starting YouTube and you're starting game development, you're going to find yourself doing a lot of things that you're not the best at. And that's because you don't have the money to hire out contract workers or employees to help you do it. Guys, that's okay. I'm not sitting here in a position of, I'm doing this all myself, and it's always, or I'm not doing anything myself, and I'm just paying people, and that's the way it's always been. No, I started just like you guys. I started waking up at 6 or 5:30 in the morning before my day job. I would work through lunch. I would work in the evenings on my games. I did everything. I did all of the work, and I didn't complain about it. I just knew that this is what I wanted to do. So we've got to stop complaining, and we've got to start thinking, this isn't permanent. The goal is 10 years down the road, or in my case, it's 7 years down the road, you're in a directional position. You're leading a team, and you're also just doing the things you're really good at, and then you're giving other people what you're not good at. Now, you're not giving them crap. You're actually giving them what they're good at. So everybody's happy, right? So that should be the end goal.